Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to buy eToro. eToro is a popular social trading platform that allows users to buy and sell various financial instruments, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. To get started, you need to create an account on the eToro platform. Go to the eToro website and click on the Sign Up button. You will be required to provide some personal details, such as your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to create a username and password for your account. Once you have created your account, you will need to verify your identity. This is a standard procedure to ensure that the platform is secure and compliant with regulatory requirements. You will need to provide a government-issued ID and proof of address. After verifying your account, you can deposit funds into your eToro account. eToro supports various payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and bank transfers. The minimum deposit amount is typically $50, but this may vary depending on your location and the payment method you use. With your account funded, you can start browsing the eToro platform and searching for assets to buy. eToro offers a wide range of financial instruments, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and indices. You can use the search bar to find specific assets or browse through the various categories. When you find an asset you want to buy, click on it to open the trading window. Here, you can set the amount you want to invest and review the trading terms. Make sure you understand the fees and risks involved before you make a trade. eToro also offers a feature called copy trading, which allows you to automatically copy the trades of experienced investors. This can be a great way to get started with trading, as it allows you to learn from others and potentially earn profits. Finally, it is essential to remember that trading on eToro involves risks, and you should never invest more than you can afford to lose. Make sure you set a budget and stick to it, and always do your own research before making a trade. By following these steps, you can start buying and selling assets on the eToro platform. Remember to stay informed, set a budget, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. With eToro, you can access a wide range of financial markets and potentially earn profits. But it is crucial to approach trading with caution and responsibility.